Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi and today I have for you 4 tools to help you get insider information on what's happening in the crypto markets. But before we get into it, I please want to remind you to hit the like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Maybe with the bell notification so you can get notified when we post videos every single day. And also for those of you who really want to dig in, we have a CT Club. The link for that is down below in the video description, where you can get access to what we're doing with our cryptos. We do trade alerts, market updates, and also you can access our portfolio and see what cryptos we're holding. Now let's get into today's video. So we have 4. None of these, this is not a sponsored video by any means. No one here knows that I'm posting this, or no one has sent me any money, so it's unbiased as possible. Also, links for everything I'm talking about today will be down below in the video description. So the first one we have is Santiment. I remember talking about this one back in like 2017 when they had their ICO, but also Santiment is really cool. It's a blockchain project. They have their own cryptocurrency, and they give you a bunch of insights as to, what people are talking about online in regards to crypto, what the sentiment of crypto is through the metrics of social medias and news and all that stuff. But what's really cool about this one, and for those of you who are always looking for ways to earn a passive income, maybe you're completely consumed with cryptocurrency, but you don't know how to turn that into an income, you can get paid on Santiment by contributing information to that website and earning a reputation there and gaining a following there as well. So pretty cool. You can contribute to this space in that way. Next up, we have Messari Institute. This one I use all the time for when I want to start to do a deep dive on a cryptocurrency. They of course give you an overview of like what you'd find on the white paper, but they also give you, let's say the coin had an ICO. They give you a rundown of what supply was allocated towards the team, what supply was allocated towards marketing, towards venture capitalists or private sales versus what was available for public sales. And that's really important to pay attention to, because you want to know who had access to this coin before it was made public, because, essentially, or hopefully you would want to have as much of a grassroots spreading of the supply of these coins as possible and less of a whale situation right off the bat. But also, if the team has a vast majority of the supply, that could be an indication for a rug pull situation in the future. So anyway, Messari Institute is great for that. Also, right on the home page, you can find that information by like just searching the coin individually on their search bar. But right on the home page of Messari Institute, they have a ton of information of like updates that are happening across blockchains and DeFi platforms and wallet providers. Also, if you guys are really interested in governance tokens and voting proposals happening on different proof of stake blockchains, they have that information as well. So Messari Institute is a really cool tool. The other one we have is it's a newer one called the TIE, and they have a news section, but honestly, my first impressions of that was it seemed like it was just a bunch of press releases from the blockchain-based projects and cryptocurrencies themselves. So it's not necessarily an unbiased third-party thing. It's just like kind of whatever the team wants you to know about is happening. So that can have some value as well, just to stay up to date. But maybe they're buttering you up a little bit. But they have an education section that I think would be really helpful, especially for those of you who are new or like just kind of understanding what's really happening in crypto. Their education section could really help fill out the gaps that you might have in your understanding of crypto. Now, the last one is the CME or Bitcoin Futures. The big one is through the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And what they do is they sell Bitcoin futures contracts. Each contract, all the contracts always expire the last Friday of every month. And this is important to understand. Basically, if you're realizing it's the last Friday of the month, expect volatility, because as these contracts are beginning to expire or currently expiring, and people need to be rebalancing their positions, a lot of people, it directly affects the price and indirectly affects the price, because a lot of people are paying attention to that and kind of seeing what the futures are indicating basically? Are people bullish on the futures? Are they betting the price is going to go up? Are they betting the price is going to go down? And every time, basically, it's the last Friday of the month, there's volatility in the market. So if you guys are day trading, if you guys are crazy enough to do that, maybe take a day off on the last Friday of every month, because crazy volatility can definitely lead to unexpected trades and unexpected market happenings. That's another little trick for you guys too is the Ethereum Foundation recently published what is comprised in their treasury fund, and within that is the wallet address of their Ethereum that they're holding. It's not a huge amount. It's like 0.3% of the total supply of Ethereum, but they are notorious for selling the top of Ethereum. So if you notice coins moving from this address into a centralized exchange, they're going to be selling. So maybe you can take profits around that time as well. Just an idea, not financial advice. You got to make your own decisions on that. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and hit subscribe. I'll see you again soon. My name's Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. Okay, bye.